right? So that is one method you can sell. If you are, since you have already heard about Canva, you can start working on these items, right? And the next thing is selling your designs in Fiverr, right? Fiverr is a service platform, yeah, where you can sell your services. But this is different. This is selling your designs, right? Let's say like a person is working 8 hours per day, right? And he is working for 30 days, maybe for all the days we can have the working days will be 20 days, and he is working 160 hours per month, right? And he might earn some kinds of money for as a compensation for his work, right? But this is different, right? At what age will you retire, right? Maybe at 50 or maybe 40 or maybe 60, I don't know. Each and everyone will have some life goals, right? But let's say you wanted to take a leave from your company, right? You just wanted to go for a vacation or trip. Will they allow it? No, you will be some restriction. You will be having some kinds of restrictions, right? So if you are working and selling your designs in Etsy, you have to do it once, right? You should be setting up the designs once, and then you will just open your shop in the air, right? And then that shop will be live online, right? So maybe you don't have to consider, don't have to visit day by day. Maybe if you set it once, and then it will be available for all the time, forever, right? So then the Etsy will handle the design process and the download process. And if we can sell two items, like physical products and the digital products. I'm not talking about the physical products. We are talking about digital products. Like we can sell our designs, presentations, and we can sell the planners, templates like thumbnails. We can sell ebooks, and then we can sell ebook covers, etc., etc. I will show it to you in a minute, right? So these are the digital items that we can sell in Etsy, but it will take some time, maybe 1 week or 2 weeks to set up creating your shop. But once it's ready, you are free, right? So you will have the passive income, right? Whenever the customer buys your design, you will be getting money. You just receive a phone SMS, okay, you had an order, and whenever you see the message, you will have the order, and then you will be the purchasing will be happening, and it's done by Etsy itself, right? I will dive into Etsy and show it to you how much they are earning by selling their designs, right? So now this is one idea that we can start with, like selling digital arts, right? Digital wall arts, right? So maybe hopefully this platform is usually targeting Europe clients, Europe customers, but also in Gulf countries also, we are having customers in, people are using Etsy platform widely. Yeah, we will discuss some, if you have any questions, we will discuss them at the end of the session. So we'll have the question answer session as well. Okay, so here, if you consider this wall art business, let's say you are a designer and you are just designing some kinds of wall arts and painting digital arts, and then you can sell PDF files only, right? Or maybe JPEG image files, and then you can set them, you open your shop and you list out your digital items in the Etsy, and then Etsy will handle the rest of the things, right? Time to time, if a person buys your product, you will be receiving money, right? So this is that you can calculate wall art size guide. So he had more than 2.5K of orders, right? So he's selling his design for $2.62, right? So then you can multiply 2.5K times at least 2.5. So then he has earned $5,000 only for this design, right? So let me go into the Etsy platform and show it to you, right? So you can go to the, you can also now go to the Etsy platform and go and search for the wall art digital. Like if you search for wall arts, you will be having physical products where they will ship it to your doorsteps. But I'm not targeting about the physical products. We are just targeting about digital, so that we don't have to handle each and every item. We don't have to do the packaging works. We don't have to ship them. We don't have to find the customer's address. No, right? If you sell digital items, your life will be very easier, because once you have designed items, once you have opened your shop, done, right? Etsy will handle the rest. It is. Okay, so now let's dive deep into digital wall arts. Maybe let's consider like I'm a cat lover. So just I will be searching for cat wall art, right? So here maybe these are, you might think like, okay, I'm not a professional artist. How can I earn, right? So here you can search for silk hoods, right? Sorry, I think I am missing an edge. Okay. Okay, so now you can notice that these are some kinds of silk hoods, right? So you can easily design these kinds of silk hoods like this. So these are just kinds of graphics we have it, right? So maybe in the Canva, if you go and add a new page, right? If you go to the elements and if you search for cat only, right? And you go for the graphics, and then you have the designs for the cats, right? And you can search for line arms, right? So now you can notice that these are the cat line arts you are having, right? And then you can just download it, or maybe you can customize it. Maybe you can make this product unique by adding some elements or deleting some elements, right? So you can do the customizing work in Canva, and then you can generate the mockups, and then you can upload it to the Etsy platform, right? So all these items are digital, right? Now you can notice that if I go into this one, right? So this is sold for $2.59. And here you can notice that they have mentioned that you will get a zip file with SVG, DXF, PNG, PDF, right? And then at the end, they might be mentioning like digital product only, no physical item will be shipped, right? So this digital item is selling, right? When we are working hard, we are seeking for jobs, people are already earning something, right? By selling these kinds of digital products. So let's say like now you are starting this Etsy shop and you are selling only this wall art, and you might be earning $2 as a revenue, right? So in a year, you are having sales around 1,000. So at the end of the year, you will be having $2,000, right? But if you miss to create this particular shop, let's say you just omit this, you just attend the seminar and just omit it, just skip it, and going and working your own works, right? Okay, that's good. And after a year, you have lost that $2,000, because if you start it right now, right at the moment, the shop is already open, right? So then it will be providing you some kinds of money. You are just you are just opening the door. So then the money will come to you. But if you are just closing it by skipping this, and after 2 or 3 years, okay, I wanted to start this Etsy business, and then all the 3 years you have passed without opening the shop, is a loss for you, right? So then we can consider where we need to start it, right? So don't think I will start it tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Start it just right now, right at the moment, maybe after the seminar ends, right? So that is the thing we need to consider, right? Okay, that is selling wall arts in Etsy digital platform.